Here is the front view of the Hawse pipe hole on the Titanic. Now, Trumpeter for some reason decided not to pay any attention to detail on this area, that it wasn't an oval shape. This one definitely needs to be replaced. So I found a company that paying attention to detail on that part, and here is the actual new Hawse. So here we go. Alright, so let's get started here. Let's go ahead and measure exactly where this is gonna go. It appears that it falls right there. So the first thing we have to do is actually cut this sucker completely off. So I could do it with this razor blade. Don't be scared to grind this, because the putty is what will be molding all the gaps. Here's the final cutout. It's a little overkill, but we'll just have to work it backwards to get this thing right. Now, I did trim this guy down a little bit, if you notice on the top there, just to get these lines to match the lines on the 3D piece. So let's see where it falls. There you go, and I'm pretty happy with that. Here is stage 3 of applying the putty. Now, it looks pretty damn good. So we have to do a lot of cleaning up in this area right here to make it smooth. Probably sand this down. I pretty much got that smoothed out, but over here we need to clean all these little bumps and edges.